Oi, gente, tudo bem? A gente vai fazendo uma nova música e acho que vocês gostem. Então, fala-me qual que é a música.
Sem mais delongas, o nome da música é House of the Rising Sun, ou também pode ser traduzida como A Casa do Sol Nascente. Feita por Animals, música muito popular, e vamos começar. Tá pronta?
Sim!
There's a house in New Orleans, they call the rising sun. It's been the room of many poor boys, and good I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. But the only things a gambler needs, it's suitcase and a trunk. And the only time he's satisfied, it's when he's all drunk. Oh, mother, tell your children not to do what I have done. It's been your lives in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun. What have gone on foot and platform, the other foot on the train. I'm going back to New Orleans, the year, the ball and the chain. Well, there is a house in New Orleans, they call